S is any point in the interior of the triangle PQR. Show that SQ plus SR is less than PQ plus PR. So let's start with the diagram because we won't understand anything just by talking over. So we have, what is it? PQR, yeah, PQR. So it's not an isosceles triangle, it's a scalene triangle, right? We are not given anything is equal or so on and so forth. So we have PQR. S is any point in the triangle. So inside the triangle, we can take any random point, something like this also. Okay, so join, what is that we have to join? So this is, by the way, S. So we will join SQ, then we have SR, then PQ and PR. Okay, so that's S by the way. Now, how is that we have to solve this? What is the funda behind this question? The thing is, we have something inside the triangle, right? If you look at it, obviously these two sides are longer than these two sides. But how will we go about proving this? We need triangle which relates this side, this side, this side, and this side, right? Whatever is written over there. And as of now, well, I don't see anything, you know. So for that, I have to do a bit of construction. Maybe just pull this at one end, or if not, pull this at the other end. Anything is okay. So let me just go with this. Okay, I'm extending RS to the other side, and let me call this as A, point A. Okay. Again, I want somehow that I relate all of these sides, you know. That's the whole funda. So let's begin with the construction, or to prove. We have SQ plus SR less than PQ plus PR. Now we're looking at the construction. Extend SR to PQ intersecting at A. Okay, so we're calling that point as A. Now on to the proof. See, clearly it has to do with inequalities. I hope you guys remember about inequalities. That would be over here. Okay, so sum of any two sides of a given triangle is greater than the third side, right? So in triangle, we'll begin with PAR. PAR. So what is that we are looking at? PQ. Okay, no. So P, what should I take? This is something that I should figure out. The sequence of things. PR and other end should be, okay, so I got it. See, at one end we have PR plus PA, which should be greater than RA. Okay, RA. Agree? Right? Why is this? How is this possible? Because of inequality, triangle inequality. Then we have the next thing is in triangle AQS, right? So what do we have? We have SQ plus completed QA is equal to AS. Is this correct? Think about it. Is that correct? No, right? We have what? SQ to be on the other side. That will help. So we have what is it? We have AQ plus AS is greater than QR. Does that make sense? Okay. So now we almost have the answer. We need this and this at one end. Oh wait. Oh yeah, correct. Looks correct. So So this and this at one end and this on the other end. I'll show the answer. It is going to get a bit weird, but it will be okay. It's not too hard. It's just addition, subtraction. Right? So we're going to add equation 1 and equation 2. What should we do? LHS has to be added with LHS and RHS has to be added with RHS. Remember, just put the symbol. Don't think too much. Just put the symbol. And whatever is there on the LHS, just copy that. So PR plus PA plus AQ plus AS, and on the RHS we have RA plus QR. Okay, right? Now let's see what and all we need. We need PQ, PQ. So how can we get PQ? With the help of, let me change the color. PQ we can get with the help of PA plus AQ. Done. So PQ is done. PR we have done. And on the other end we need SQ. We have SQ, right? Oh, I think I wrote this wrong. Sorry, I think, no, not I think, I wrote this wrong. This is SQ, and this is also going to be SQ. Okay. We have SQ. What we don't have is SR, right? So this term is used, this term is used, this is not used, and here we need SR. How can we solve this? How can we solve this? So I'm going to write the above expression again, and I'm going to give the solution. If before that, if you guys want to do it on your own, you can pause now. Simple. I don't want this over here, and this is too long. RA is too long. We just need SR, right? I'm going to subtract AS on both the sides. We can do that, is it not? Right? We're going to subtract AS on both the sides. So this and this will get cancelled. Is it not? And we have PR plus PA plus AQ. Sorry. PA plus AQ is what? My bad, I could have written that. This is PQ. Yeah, this is PQ. And we have this to be PQ is greater than, what is RA minus AS? What is RA minus AS? Yes, RA minus AS would be SR. Agree? It would be SR. So we have SR plus SQ. Hence proved. Right? The order is different. What we can do is we can swipe the terms around and also swipe the sign, and we have hence proved. Again, if you want to be more careful, we can do this, not an issue, and that would be your answer. So here again we have some bit of construction. Without this construction you won't be able to do this question, is it not? So that's the only bit which is difficult. That's why I marked it to be a bit harder. This is again a question which is something that can come, and if you don't know the trick, you won't be able to do it in the exam. It's not a hard question, but yeah, this trick has to be known to solve this. You can pause and have a look at the answer.